1. 1984 Chevrolet 3/4 ton 4x4 truck, $5,200. Independence, Missouri. This rugged 1984 Chevrolet 3/4 ton truck is powered by a strong 350 Ci V8 engine, paired with a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission, sending power to all four wheels via a Dana 44 front axle and a 14-bolt rear. Though the odometer is broken, the truck features numerous upgrades, including a like-new carburetor, alternator, new battery, power windows and locks, factory AC, and dual tanks. With its full-size 3/4 ton capacity and clean title, this square-body Chevy is a solid foundation for a classic 4x4 project or a dependable workhorse. Two, 1985 Ford F250, $1,200, Sam's Valley, Oregon. Offered as a true project truck, this 1985 Ford F250 4x4 comes equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. While it has been sitting for over a year and needs a valve cover along with interior and exterior work, the body remains straight and the title is clean. Priced at just $1,200, this heavy-duty pickup is a budget-friendly option for restoration enthusiasts. 3. 1975 Chevrolet Scottsdale, $1,000, Birch Bay, Washington. This 1975 Chevrolet Scottsdale pickup is in running but unreliable condition. Suspected engine issues suggest it may be operating on 6 cylinders instead of 8. It includes new ignition components, fuel filter, and a modern radio. With proceeds supporting the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation, it's both a potential project and a cause-driven purchase, ideal for a mechanically inclined buyer looking for a challenge. 4. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Dually, $10,995, Eugene, Oregon. A true custom build, this 1979 Chevrolet C10 half-ton dually features rare J.C. Whitney dually rear adapters and GM fenders. A GM Goodwrench 350 V8 with about 10K miles and TH350 automatic transmission make it a smooth daily driver. Suspension and brakes are all new, and the interior boasts a new seat, dash, and door cards. It's a rare single-cab dually build, offering style and performance in a one-of-a-kind package. 5. 1979 Jeep J20 4x4, $12,800, Lakewood, Washington. The Jeep J20 is a rare and desirable heavy-duty 3/4 ton pickup, and this 1979 example is especially clean with just 72,000 miles on its 360 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It includes power steering and brakes and is noted to run and drive like new. With a clean title and original drivetrain, it's a standout among classic Jeep trucks and ready to be enjoyed immediately. 6. 1970 Ford F250 Camper Special, $12,000. San Juan Capistrano, California. A one-family-owned classic, this 1970 Ford F250 Sport Custom Camper Special is an all-original California truck. Powered by a rebuilt 390 V8 with just 9,000 miles since the overhaul, it's equipped with Flowmaster exhaust, original interior, rebuilt factory AC, and rare options. The Camper Special Package adds upgraded suspension for towing, a great example of a vintage workhorse with a preserved heritage. '7 1983 Ford F150, $3,500, Cordell, Oklahoma. This 1983 Ford F150 is priced attractively at $3,500. The V8 engine and automatic transmission run, but the truck won't shift into third gear. SUS odometer shows 69,696, rolled over. It's a decent platform for a light resto mod or a straightforward transmission repair. The title is in hand, and the seller is open to trades. Cat 8 1986 Nissan Hardbody D21, $4,000. A rising star in the classic compact truck world, this 1986 Nissan Hardbody D21 features a 5-speed manual transmission and a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine. The body is prepped for paint, and the interior is in good condition. With 174,000 miles, it's still a reliable platform, and with increasing collector interest in vintage Japanese trucks, this one is well worth a look. 1974 Ford F100, $5,950, Ukiah, California. A rugged 4x4 classic, this 1974 Ford F100 runs on clean propane and has a bold Mad Max character. Though it has some quirks, non-functional power steering and windshield sprayer, it runs, drives, and brings unique style to the table. A great choice for enthusiasts looking for something different and environmentally friendly. '10 1984 Ford F150, $975, Mesa, Arizona. This 1984 Ford F150 is a non-running project truck with clean title and solid sheet metal. Sitting for over 15 years, it's a prime candidate for restoration or a source of original parts. For less than $1,000, it offers tremendous value to anyone wanting to bring back an old-school Ford or build a retro-styled pickup. 11. 1975 Ford F250 Explorer, $8,500, Springfield, Oregon. A true survivor, this 1975 Ford F250 Explorer is nearly rust-free and powered by a 360 V8. It has only 71,000 original miles, a fresh tune-up, new Flowmasters, and factory AC. Classic brown paint, factory wheels, and a crack-free dash all contribute to its vintage appeal. This well-preserved rig is ready for weekend cruises or restoration into a showpiece. Till 12 1963 GMC 1000, $4,200, Alhambra, California. An increasingly rare find, this 1963 GMC 1000 stepside long bed is powered by a 305 Ci V6, mated to a Muncie 4-speed manual. With 48,000 miles showing and an additional matching V6 engine included in the sale, this pre-smog, running, and registered truck is an appealing package. The 305 V6, known for its torque and durability, adds to its collectability. '13 1960 International B160 dump truck, $4,000, Denver, Colorado. This 1960 International B160 dump truck has been upgraded with a 1972 345 V8 engine, alternator, 4-barrel carb, and a 2-speed rear axle. The hydraulic system has been partially rebuilt with new hoses and cylinders. The interior is surprisingly refined with a new seat back and carpeting. Though gauges need work, this heavy-duty classic is a capable flatbed or dump truck restoration project.